Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jennifer and I am a beauty, hair and lifestyle content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, this is my look. This is my face with my relaxed hair. I finally did some makeup. This is the first time putting on makeup on my relaxed hair to just see, how it's giving. And even without the makeup, guys, I'm really loving. I'm loving this era. I'm loving this era. I just manipulating my hair, combing. I don't even comb my hair every day. I just literally use this brush it back, and it's good. So the reason for this video is because I'm going to be showing you different ways, easy ways you can style your relaxed hair without any extensions, just a relaxed hair look. So this is for like an everyday look, or an everyday wear, just something simple that you can do with your natural hair without any extensions. So if that's something that you want to see, then keep on watching. So the first style I'm starting with is a side part. This style is actually very easy and very simple to do. I brought out some hairs by the side just to, give it another look. Then I packed it into a bun and secured it really well at the back. This is how the back of the hair looks. I proceeded with using just a little bit of edge control to stick the edges. I also made sure not to pack my hair too tight because I don't want anything that's, going to take away from the edges that I already have. I used straightener I was trying to curl my hair, but it didn't work. So if you'd be doing this style, I'd recommend you use this kind of curler to get the hair to curl more. Then the second hairstyle is I'm packing my hair into a bun. I brought out some hair at the front. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to divide that into two and straighten both sides of the hair. Of course, I used heat protectant and I did not put the straightener on high heat. I put it on low heat because I'm not about to get heat damage on this hair. No, that's not gonna happen. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah, this is how the style looks. For the third style, I just moved the hair into one side, used the straightener on very low heat, and yeah, this is how it looks. I really like this style, and I think this is a style that would, look really good on any outfit of choice. For the next hairstyle, I'm doing a side swoop. I packed it and then left some hair at the end to create kind of like a spike, laid my edges, and yeah, this is the look. I really like this one as well. For the next hairstyle, it's an updo one. Updo is a style that literally gives your face an instant facelift. I left two hairs by the side. Again, I'm packing my hair but not too tight. You got to be careful because of your edges. I used donut packer just to give this bun more volume. If you want your buns to have volume, you just can use donut packer. It really helps and it looks good as well. This is how the back looks. So for the sixth hairstyle, I did middle part and then packed it in a bun and brought out two hairs by the side. I'm using the donut packer again just to give my bun more volume. And then I'm going in with edge control to slick down the edges. I don't like to put too much just so that it doesn't turn white. For the next style, I'm going to be dividing my hair into two parts and then I'll be packing each part into a bowl.
To get this bow style, when you fold the hair, you have to leave some tip behind, right? Then you divide the folded part of the hair and bring back the one behind in front and then clip it with a pin. This is actually easy. If you watch closely, you will understand what I did. This is how it looks and I really like it. It's playful, fun, and really cute. Then the last hairstyle is just a simple side part low bun. Laid my edges and it's looking very cute, very easy, very demure. All these styles are styles you can achieve with no extensions, just your relaxed hair, especially if your relaxed hair is long. I hope you guys like these styles. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.